In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert export Google Sheets to CSV file. If you've ever needed to share data with another app, upload a contact list, or move a table into a database, a CSV file is often the simplest and most compatible format. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It stores plain text with commas between columns, which makes it easy for many tools to read. Just keep in mind that CSVs save the raw values, not the formatting or formulas you see in your sheet. Start by heading to Google Sheets and opening the specific spreadsheet you want to convert. Make sure you've got the correct file open in your browser and that you have permission to view or edit it. Once the document loads, glance down at the tabs along the bottom. Google Sheets only exports the currently active sheet when you choose CSV. That means if your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, you'll need to pick the exact one you want to export. Click the tab to make it active and double-check that the columns and rows you expect are visible. Next, move to the top left corner and click the File menu. This is where all of the export options live. In the File menu, hover your mouse over Download to open the submenu. From there, select comma-separated values.csv. You may see it labeled as Current Sheet, which is a helpful reminder that only the active tab will be included. Sheets will immediately prepare the CSV version of what you are viewing. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a destination on your computer where you can easily find it later, like the desktop or your Downloads folder, and click Save. If your browser automatically saves without asking, it will usually place the file in your default Downloads folder. You can rename the file before saving if you want. Just keep the CSV extension. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Because CSV is plain text, it won't carry over colors, bold text, merged cells, or images, only the underlying values that appear in each cell at the time of export. If your sheet contains formulas, the CSV will include the final calculated results, not the formulas themselves. Dates and times will export as values too, so it's a good idea to spot check them after saving, especially if you share files across regions that format dates differently. When you open the CSV later, you can use a spreadsheet app or even a simple text editor to confirm everything looks right. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.